Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one that is about dx over dt. This one we have 1 over e to the power of s. So I will put this one go to the left, dt go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So this one we have e to the power of s. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So in this one we can see that t to the power of 3, that is about t and t to the power of 2. Now we can use about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides and we have like this. So we need to simplify the square root. Next, because we have t square, that means I need to put number 1 go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 2t. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. The square root we change for u. T square that is about this one. T dt we change for u du. So this one we have u square. Later that this one multiplied by this one and this one. Next, we have the formula in here. So we have u to the power of 4 and this one we have u to the power of 5 over 5. The next one we have u to the power of 3 over 3 and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So about u, that is about this one and this one. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. Now after we have this one, we have the condition. This one they go through this point 0 0. That means when t equals to number 0, s equals to number 0. And now we put number 0 on here, here, and here to find the value of C. So this one we have number 1. This one we have negative number 2 over 15. And now we put this one go to the left. So we calculate this one and we have 17 over 15. And we put this one go in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.